Sree Sivani International School, a school with a purpose, a school with a dedication, a school with a determination for fulfilling the dreams and desires of all the parents, a parent who is aspiring for giving his child an overall development. Academics being at the top priority, giving equal importance to moral education. A school which is committed to create future leaders with magnificent character who would change the society to the righteous path of life. The school is meant for those parents who are eager to inculcate moral values in their children with which they learn to respect others and also be an inspiration in the society in general. The school is focused to guide the children to bring out their innate qualities of goodness, self-discipline, critical thinking, responsibility, honesty with which they can explore their own potential. Sree Sivani International School, a committed school for upbringing the moral values among children along with expertise in academics. The school is established with an ambition to reinstate the lost Indian culture and values among the present and for future generations, based on Indian Vedic system, which is a gift of our ancient sages and saints. To have a quick look over our academic excellence, we are providing well-qualified, competent teaching faculty with vast experience in the field of their respective subjects who are well trained in Vedic texts like Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam from last 14 years. A team of teachers who are efficiently trained to explore the extraordinary talents. We provide IIT NEET batch, Renaissance batch for enhancing 21st century skills from a child for making them proficient and skillful to face the challenges at any stage of life. Sree Sivani International School, a school which is marked to have an exceptional and distinctive feature of moral education. This noteworthy and significant classes have brought about so many changes in the students who got admitted in the academic year 2024-25 and who are continuing their journey with us with utmost satisfaction and contentment. Having a glance at the infrastructure, the school has AC and digital classroom for better learning. It has library, computer lab, science lab for learning through practice. Another unique specialty of our school is language laboratory, which is meant to enhance the LSRW skills of all the three languages, viz. English, Hindi and Telugu, giving top priority to develop proper communication in English language. The school also focuses on the aesthetic insights of a child. The school is keen to provide fine arts as an important subject for them. The classes include art and craft, music, instrument, dance, classical, painting, calligraphy. A school which is not only focuses on curricular but also on extracurricular and co-curricular activities like indoor and outdoor games, field trips, festival celebrations, both national and religious. So, parents, please do visit our campus and feel the difference. Limited seats are available for each section. Hurry up and confirm your seats. For more details, please contact 90-324 71249, 90-301 59432.